Stefan Smith, and I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch my quick little video on tinnitus relief. Many people who suffer from tinnitus or tinnitus look for ways to treat and relieve that intolerable high-frequency noise, and I want to be able to help them, including you, find that relief. If I help you in the slightest way, then making this video was worth it. Tinnitus can be triggered for many different reasons, but these basic relief strategies can help greatly reduce the number of times you experience them, as well as decrease the severity of each episode. Okay, my first strategy is called Hear What You Eat. The first thing you should do to get relief from tinnitus is to be aware of what you eat. Certain foods can provoke a tinnitus episode. I recommend that you take notice of which foods are possible sources for your tinnitus and avoid those that result in a tinnitus outbreak. Some common foods that induce tinnitus episodes are caffeine, tobacco, alcohol, some medications, and even salt. So before you eat, ask yourself, have I experienced tinnitus after eating this before? Doing that should help. Another relief strategy is what I like to call silent treatment. You need to protect yourself from loud noises, which can easily throw you into a tinnitus episode. I recommend possibly getting earplugs and carrying them with you. If you find yourself in a noisy situation, put them on. My third and final relief strategy for this video is called analysis. Stress has been a common factor for all tinnitus sufferers, and simply analyzing your day-to-day activities and putting an end to the most stressful parts will greatly help decrease not only the number of tinnitus episodes, but decrease the severity of each occurrence. That's all I have for this video. Please do not give up on yourself. I will be making more videos with some great tips, so please be on the lookout for my videos. Also, share this video with everyone. I want to help as many people out there as possible. One more thing, people who say that there is no cure for tinnitus, let me tell you, you're wrong. I know a lot of doctors also say that, but they're wrong. And I am going to say they're wrong because I have found lots of potential cures out there that have helped many people put an end to their tinnitus. Many people. The relief strategies that I've shared with you are great, but you should work on finding out a cure for your tinnitus. You should not live with it. Please don't live with it. I recommend that you visit yourtinnituscure.com. That's my site. There you will see exactly what I'm talking about in terms of a possible cure for your tinnitus. I hope this video has helped you, and thank you so much for watching.